Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So we're so excited for you to join us for our holiday release hop today. We have so many new products and today I'm going to be using the Snowflake Kisses Shadow Sentiment Craft Die and the Stitch Swirling Snow Background Craft Die. And I'm going to be using some circles there, and then this is the Love Doodles Gold pattern paper pack, and I'm just using the pink from there. I love that there's solids in this paper pack, and so I die cut it out, and I have the stitching on that pink side there, and it's really pretty. I'm trying to hold it up so you can see. I love all that stitching. It's like one of my favorite dies. There's so many new products, and now I'm making a shaker. So I put two circles together, and I'm going to put some acetate, and I'm also going to put some tape around. And I'm also going to be using the Snowflake Kisses shadow sentiment that I'm going to be running the shadow part with white cardstock, and then I'm going to be using the other with some glitter pattern paper. So I'm using my small die cutting machine, which is great. I love it when I have small dies that I can just show you on camera that I'm running it through, and I will put that word sentiment together, and it was really easy, and I love that everything stayed in contact. I didn't lose any words or letters, which is great. So let me tell you a little bit about this hop. We do have a playlist, and you can find that in the details down below. You should comment on everyone's channel for more chances to win. The giveaway hop ends November 19th, so you want to make sure you do that by then. You must be subscribed to the KS newsletter and fill out the Rafflecopter form, and I do have that linked down below. We do have an Instagram hop today, so you can win there too. So great. I love it when we have two hops. So here is the pink glittered word, and so my card today is pink and white, and I thought it was fun. I love doing non-traditional, although I do think pink should be considered a traditional color. I do love to use pink with aqua. I guess it just depends on how you like it. Some only like traditional red and green, so however you like it, this card would be beautiful no matter what colors or one color, whatever you would like to do with it. It would look really beautiful. So I love that all that word is connected and you get that snowflake. Really pretty. And I'm just using my liquid glue. And then this card is so easy. I'm just going to put my shaker together. And so many products I love in this release, and I can't wait to see what everybody else has for their hop project today. And I'm just moving that up a little bit. Thankful that I use liquid glue, and so it's easy for me to adjust my sentiment. And I also love that this stitched swirling snow background craft die is A2 size, and I'm going to use it more often. I can't wait to try it with blue, and even with white is going to be really pretty. So I'm just using my double-sided tape here, and I'm just ripping it, and then I will be adding all my layers. I did die cut. Actually, I used quarter foam tape strips. I did double up on that so that I would have more shaking room. And then we do have new embellishments for this release. I will be using the Pink Christmas Sprinkle Mix and the Frozen Wonderland Sprinkle Mix. And I'm just using my bone folder to make sure that everything is sticking properly. And I loved making a shaker this way, just making like a gluing it later onto my card. I thought it was easier. So those are my shaker bits there, and I think they're really pretty. And I just wanted the snowflakes from one, I think just from the Frozen Wonderland. And then I did use some pink carnation dots and some brilliant Barbie pink confetti dot sequins. So a little bit of a mix there. And I will have everything listed in case you want to shop, which I recommend. And I'm just putting everything that I need in there. I just wanted everything to match pink and white. And using, I should have grabbed my spoon embellishment, but I was just using my hands there, my fingers to grab everything. And then I will fill it up, and I'm just putting my snowflakes, I believe. Trying to separate everything because I have done that before. I've put some clay confetti and it didn't go with my theme. So I didn't want that to happen for this card. And I just love Christmas crafting, don't you? I can see so many cards I'll be making with these products. So those are the other pink. So like I said, the dots and some other sequins to match the pink confetti. So there it is, yay! So it shakes, and I'm just sticking a little bit of that foam tape in, and now I will glue it to the back, glue it to my card panel there. And there we go. And so now I will put my card together. So really simple. I think the shaker is the only thing that took a little bit more time, but I think it's fun, and it's always fun to receive a shaker card. And I think it's cute with that snowflake kisses. And we also have some holiday, Simple Sentiments holiday edition, so you could put a secondary sentiment on there. I was thinking about it, but I just left it as is. But I did make a lot of samples, so I hope you enjoy all the samples that I made for this release. And check out everybody's project, and make sure you comment before the giveaway ends so you have a chance of winning. And I appreciate you joining me today. And I'm just going to add a few more snowflakes to my card. I thought it was fun to do that so it wasn't so plain. So I'm just grabbing, I believe, 3 white little clay snowflakes there. And that finishes my card. This is on an A2 card base. I'm not sure if I showed that. And using my Kat Scrappiness tools here. And then I will share a close-up, and here it is. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.